halos nawala na siya ng tinta tapos hindi ko siya masyado ginagamit. Worth it nga ba tong Miracle Works brush pen na nakita ko for beginners? We will have 3 qualifications for this. Una, yung tip of the brush, if flexible ba siya or maganda siya for beginners. The tip of brush is like this. Because you can see it is like a felt tip. The tip is easy to control, especially yung if magla-light ka pataas. Malambot siya, hindi siya sobrang tigas para gamitin mo for brush pen. Kasi merong ibang na-affordable na sobrang tigas ng tip niya. Second, affordability. And this one is just 140 pesos. Prepare your expectation as well. And then third, overall experience with these markers. So kapag sinulat natin siya, there is just one brush pen sa akin na halos nawala na siya ng tinta tapos hindi ko siya masyado ginagamit. Yun lang yung nag-dry. Pero yung brush part lang yung nag-dry sa kanya. Yung marker part, hindi. So, I think, hindi ko alam kung naiwan ko lang siya or ano. So, my final verdict with this one, this brush pen is perfect for beginners. So, it's YAL approved.